Hey there, Supercoder! Today we're going to create a super fun game called Make Your Own Character. And guess what? We're going to design our very own cat. Sounds cool, right? Let's get started! First, to draw our cat, go to Choose a Sprite and click on Paint. Alright, now we're in the drawing area. Let's start with the face. I need a big circle, so I choose the Circle tool. I'm going to pick a gray color. And for the outline, let's choose black with a thickness of about 15. Nice! I draw the circle and make it just a little bit oval. Perfect! Now let's draw the eyes. I draw a small circle for one eye. Instead of drawing the second one again, I'll just copy and paste it. Much easier. Okay, perfect eyes. Next, let's add the ears. For that, I draw another circle. Now I take the Reshape tool and click and drag the points. I pull one point upward, and the opposite point upward too. And there we go! It looks like a triangle ear. I place the ear on top of the cat's head. I make a few small adjustments so it fits nicely. Now I duplicate it and place the second ear on the other side. Cool! Let's add a small mouth, and 3 tiny lines near the mouth for whiskers. Nice! Our cat's face is ready! Now we use the same method to add the body and the tail. Alright, done! Looks great! Now here comes the really fun part. We're going to turn each part of the cat into a separate sprite. First, I select both ears using Shift plus click. Then I create a new sprite and paste them there. Now the ears are their own sprite. I do the same thing for the face, the body, and the tail. Each part becomes a separate sprite. Perfect. Now we can rename our sprites so it's easy to understand. And we can delete the original drawing. We don't need that anymore. Next, let's put the cat back together using code. I start with the body sprite. I drag the Go to X0, Y0 block and click it. See? The body moves to the center of the screen. Don't forget to add when green flag clicked on top. Now I go to the eye sprite. I drag the block Go to Body and click it. Nice! The eyes move to the body. And again, add when green flag click. Oh no! The tail are in front! So we can add Go to Back layer for the tail and ears and Got to Front layer for the eyes. Tail. Now let's make our cat even cooler. We can change costumes, adjust the size, add some extras, and change the color. colors. To do that, go to a sprite and add the Switch costume block. Click it, and wow, the cat's look changes. And when should this happen? Yes, when the sprite is clicked. We add the same code to the other sprites too. And that's it, Supercoder! You've just created your own custom character game. I'll see you soon with another exciting game. Until then, happy coding! Bye!